Hello guys, so I'm going to be pranking my mum, saying that I've lost my headphones. I'm going to be pranking my mum saying that I've lost my headphones, but I'm not going to show her face because of identity, so I don't want to really show my mum's face. So I'm just going to put it on the step and all you're going to see is me and him, mum's voice, so yeah. So let's get started. Mum? Mum? Have you seen my headphones?
No.
What are you watching?
I don't know, just one now.
I can't remember where I put them. I'm gonna go find them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, guys, don't worry. My headphones are here. Okay, guys, don't worry. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna say that they exploded and that they don't work anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go hide my headphones. I'm gonna go hide my headphones. Okay. I'm just gonna say that they exploded. Mum,
What?
I found them and I think they exploded.
Why?
Because I spilt water on them. The light doesn't work on them anymore, so
Did your battery's gone?
I don't know what batteries you take. Mum, it's a prank. I pranked you.
You twit.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, that was a fail. Yeah,